Hi guys, it's Alyssa from simplyquinoa.com. Today I'm going to show you my nightly skincare routine. I've shared my morning routine with you before, and I get a lot of questions about the products that I use, so I wanted to film this video and give you a breakdown and a step-by-step tutorial about everything that I do to my skin at night. So we will look at all of the different products. I'll show you the sequence that I do them in, and of course I have linked all of that stuff, all the products, everything like that over on my blog, so if you want to get that, you can find that down in the description box of this video. So let's just go ahead and get started. The first thing that I do every single night, of course, is remove my makeup and wash my face. So I have two different products that I interchange. The first is my Ren Skin Cleanser. It works really well on my skin. It's for sensitive skin, and of course it's non-toxic, and it's also vegan. If I am not cleansing with that, I try to exfoliate, and I try to exfoliate probably twice a week. And the one that I'm using right now is from Acure. Exfoliation is really, really helpful for people who are prone to breakouts, people that have dry skin, and it just makes your skin feel so good. I love doing it at night because I combine it with some oils, which I'll talk about in a second, and it's really, really helpful making my skin super smooth. It helps me have a nice little glow, and it really helps things smooth out. Once my skin is all nice and clean and I have my makeup off, I tone. The toner that I'm currently using is from Laurel Whole Plant Organics. And what's really great about toners is that you can balance the pH, and it's also a really great way to help your skin absorb what you put on top of it. So once you're cleansed and all clean, you can use this. It's just a few spritzes, and then you can move on to your moisturizers. Once I have my toner on, I use a facial oil. And facial oils are, I would say they're like kind of controversial. Some people say use them, other people say don't. I think it depends on your skin type. For me, they really work. I do have to adjust them based on the season. So I'm filming this right now and it's like 95 degrees out. I probably won't use an oil tonight just because I've been like kind of sweating during the day, and if it's really hot out, you might not need all the extra oil. In the wintertime, I use oil twice a day and it is amazing. But I do use this almost every day and I really, really love it. Next, I move on to my eyes, and what I use on my eyes is this matcha stick. So this is from Cocoa Kind, and it's made from matcha. Well, that's one of the ingredients. And matcha is really great for under eyes because it has caffeine, and if you use caffeine, a lot of actually eye products have caffeine in them because caffeine kind of closes the capillaries under the skin of your eye, and it helps to reduce the darkness, and it also helps to tighten the skin a little bit. The last product that I use on my face is a moisturizer. This is from My Shell. It's their Deep Repair Nightly Cream. I love this. It smells so great. And I definitely have a little bit of sensitive skin, so I need something that is on the lighter side. This is a really light moisturizer, but it's also really, really hydrating. And I've been using this for a couple years, and I definitely notice a difference when I wake up in the morning. All right, the last thing that I use on my face is a Jade Roller. I'm not gonna give you a full tutorial because I actually have a separate video all about how to use a Jade Roller, and I think these are an amazing tool. I use these at night. You can use them twice a day, but I really use it at night. I actually use it when I'm laying in bed most nights, and it just feels so nice. It helps reduce some jaw tension, and that pretty much does it for my skincare routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed my nightly skincare routine. If you have any questions for me, if you need product suggestions, anything like that, make sure to leave a comment down below. I have also linked everything in the blog post, and I've kind of talked about the product in a little bit more detail. So that is up on my blog. You can get it by following the link that's in the description box of this video. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.